Wait, find cover. They're going to shoot you straight away. They can see you.
Yeah, they're fine. Turn your camera on.
It's on.
It's not. It's not. There you go.
Can we go any further over?
No, I don't know.
Going over there.
No, I'm gonna go back over here. Oh, this might be a good place.
I was thinking there.
Yeah. And I get view of this as well. Oh, there's three. Come on, dude. Got him. Ah. Don't trip. You're right.
Cracks and the cracks running down the side of the MC, no pop-ups and the cracks running along there.
You're right.
Oh, I found a. There's careful. There's a drop there.
Oh God.
Oh, I just got over on my knee.
Down the hole.
I thought, you know what? I'm not small enough. Let's go in a hole.
Right. So I'm too far in the open. I'm thinking here, sorry, I'm not talking because I don't know where Manny and that are. So I'm thinking maybe here because we came up to the tent. There, okay. See, when we were on the opposition, we came this side. So I want cover from this side or to look out from this side. What I don't want is to be exposed completely. So I'm thinking here, that gets me out of the way of everything up towards the tent. All this isn't busy, I can go that way. And yeah, we'll do that. Alright, cut back to where Manny is, because Manny's hiding in wait. I haven't seen him come back, so I'm going to guess he's still outside.
Yeah, he didn't call the first ones though. Hit!
Who is that? That's not 53, is it? No. That looks like Manny. That actually, I think, is Manny. Yes, it is, because I can see the boobs on the vest.
I'm not even kidding, you're gonna want my scope cam footage. I was laid there, this gun's silent, they can't hear me. Just running, they're running. I went through 4 high caps, just shooting them as they ran by.
I got so impatient, I went, right, fuck this, I'm getting up out of the thing.
And then got shot instantly.
3 of them, then 2 more, and then after that I got shot in the face. So I was like, no, fuck that.
Do you want to come hide with me over here?
I don't know.